Hey guys, it's your girl Shabby from Shabby Fun Cuisine. Today guys, we're going to make a quick lunch to go, okay? Very fast because especially those of you, staying home, doing your work at home, and this is going to be so quick, okay? So let me show you guys what I have. Okay, as you can see, I have all my vegetables, lettuce, and we're going to have some spinach and tomatoes. Okay, I already cut them and then clean them up ahead, guys, because as I mentioned before, it's going to be so quick. Okay, and we're going to make a sauce for our sandwich. I have barbecue sauce and mustard and mayonnaise and some hot sauce. Okay, and also I have my chips. Okay, I'm going to use. Okay, and I have my flatbread. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the one I'm going to use, guys. Okay, and also guys, I'm going to have some pickles. Okay, for my sandwich. Okay, so what we're going to do first, guys, we're going to start with our sauce. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I have my fork, guys. If you want, you can add some more sauce. Okay, hot sauce. This is what I'm using. Oops. Okay, just to add a little bit flavor and a little spice. Okay, let me get some paper. Okay, you see that, guys? Okay, very fast. Okay, okay, it's done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to open our bread, flatbread. Okay, they already pre-cut. Okay, just put them down on the table. Okay, and I'm going to get my knife, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I got everything. So what I'm doing now, I'm adding my sauce. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is very good, guys, when you're short on time and then you don't want to cook big food. All you have to do, just fix yourself some good healthy sandwich. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. Today I don't really have time, so we're just going to eat some sandwiches, guys. Okay, so especially if you have kids that doesn't want to eat vegetables, guys, this is perfect time for you to make them eat some vegetables. Okay, so I'm done with this. Let me put some more in that. Okay, and oh, you know what, I have to add more sauce, guys, because when you do that, when you're eating your sandwich, you get to taste that good flavor, okay, from your sandwich. Okay, so oh guys, you know what, I forgot my main course, guys. I just leave it in the fridge. I'm going to get them, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I have my ham. I have my roasted turkey. Okay, we're going to use, and I have my Black Forest ham. Okay, and also I have my pepper jack cheese, guys. I forgot to show you guys. Okay, so now we just going to add our hams. Okay, two of each. Okay, this one just like that. Okay, and everybody gonna get 2 pieces. Okay, just like that, guys. I have to fold them, guys. I don't know why every time I'm making my sandwiches, guys, I have to do that. Okay, so now I'm adding my Black Forest hams. Okay. Two and everything. 2 pieces. Okay. I was going to add some bacon, guys. I say nah. Let me just leave it like that. Okay. So now what I'm doing now, I'm adding some spinach. Okay. It's very fast, guys. Very fast. Okay. And I'm going to add some lettuce. Okay. Those are remains, guys. I'm using. Okay. Tomatoes. I'm adding my tomatoes first before I add my cheese. Okay. Open that up. It's optional, guys. If you don't want to use cheese, you can just go ahead and then leave it as that. Okay. Cheese. Okay, one of this one. One for this one. This one is half. One for this one. Okay. So let me just put it on top like that. Okay. Oops. Okay, and I have my plate, guys. You know what? I have to grab some more stuff, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys. There's the plate. You see that? It's already fixed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm cutting up this one to show you guys how it looks. Okay, look at that. You see that? Beautiful heart. You see? Okay. Alright, guys, that's it. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you guys, like as I mentioned before, guys, whenever you're short on time, just go ahead and then fix yourself a nice delicious sandwich, guys. Okay, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Remember to share with your family and friends, and remember to turn on your notification bell, guys, whenever I'm coming with the new videos, and then you guys can get the notification. Okay, so remember, give it a try, and then let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Okay, so now it's time for me to taste my delicious sandwich. Okay, so you see what I'm showing you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to dip that in my sauce. Okay, cheers. The first one, bite for you guys. Delicious. So good, guys. So good. Thank you for being with me, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to finish up. Okay, enjoy. Bye.